pancakes today. Yay! And it's their favorite kind of pancakes. So we're going to do the recipe. We're going to make the recipe, and then we're going to add the little extra stuff to make their favorite. Their favorite is cinnamon chocolate chip, okay? And later on today, I'll put a picture of the pancakes, of course, like I always do every night, except for last night. Technical difficulties, so sorry. And I will also put a link to some carrot cake pancakes with it, okay? Because that's the kind of pancakes that we have on special occasions, because they're not exactly keto, but they are low carb, okay? And it's just because of the carrot in them. There's actually shredded carrots in it, and shredded carrots is a low carb rather than keto. So we have them on special occasions like Easter, right? Or say Mother's Day. That sort of thing. And that's when we have it. Sorry, I got this just coming in. So excuse my hand. So we're gonna start this. So right now we have our coconut flour in here. All right, and we have how much coconut flour? Half a cup of coconut flour is in here. Okay, and then we're gonna add our stuff. So you're gonna add the flaxseed in there, and that's half a cup of flaxseed. Okay. Put the flaxseed in. Good job. All of it. Good job. Okay. And then she's going to add the sugar. And the sugar is, this sugar replacement is a swerve here. And you can find this, again, at Loblaws, Superstore. You can find it on Amazon. That sort of thing is where you can find it. And she's going to put a quarter cup in there. Don't worry. You're going to have your turn. Okay? In here, into the mixture. Do, 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 do. Good job. Good job. And you're going to put the baking powder in. So this little thing here, okay? This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You think you can put it in? You do it? Good job, honey. Good job. Okay? And then you're also going to put, have you put the oil in. Can you reach that? Use 2 hands and reach it. What? Oh. Here you go. Whoa. Okay. So that is avocado oil there. And that's a quarter cup of that. And then we're going to add the milk. Okay. And we're just going to mix it all together. Yeah, we're going to mix it all together. We're also going to add the egg before I forget, because Mommy will forget, right? Mm-hmm. We always forget the egg. Oh! No! 1 large egg. There we go. Okay? I'm going to wipe my hands off. And then we'll get this mixture all mixed up. Mix. Mix. Yeah, don't you worry. We'll get that added, okay? You? I want to do it. Hang on, honey. Don't touch, okay? We don't want to get the cinnamon everywhere. Okay. So once this is kind of like mixed together, this is the actual base dough. And this is where you can add your flavors. So if you want raspberry pancakes, blueberry pancakes, after this... I want blueberries. Blueberries? I want blueberries. I don't know, honey. Sometimes you like blueberries and sometimes you don't. So we'll put the blueberries on the back burner and give you the chocolate chips that you love. Okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. And so then you can add everything that the flavor you want at this point. Okay, so now that's all mixed, this is kind of like what it looks like. Okay. We'll take a... Do you have your phone with you? We'll take a picture of what the batter looks like before we add anything so you guys know. We can take a picture. On the inside of it? Okay, point it. There we go, okay? So now we're going to add our flavoring. And you want to add the cinnamon? You want to add the cinnamon? Okay. So we'll take this. And it's cinnamon. So this is half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Okay? And you want to add the chocolate chips? That's about a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips we're going to put in here. And this is dark. This is Lily's dark chocolate chips. And they're unsweetened, so there's no sugar. It's made from cocoa beans, aren't they? And they're a good alternative for milk chocolate chips. Aren't they, girls? Uh-huh. They are. They are. Okay?
Now it's pink.
Yeah, and now they're flavored pancakes.
Yeah.
And we're going to get them all fried up. Aren't we? Aren't we? Yeah.
Hey, how that one different?
Yeah?
That I want.
That's Adeline's.
Give me that.
I'm going to give it to Adeline.
Okay.
Okay, and then this is what it looks like now with the chocolate chips in it. Okay, and then we're going to put it in I'm going to fry them up on the fryer pan with a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to have some nice fluffy pancakes for a supper, aren't we? Yeah, we are. So we'll take pictures of us doing the rest because I don't want to hold you guys up on video. But these pancakes are like a crowd pleaser, okay? You won't even realize that they're keto, okay? You just won't. Because they're just that good. And later on tonight, I'll put the link for the carrot cake ones as well. So you have that for you guys as well. So you girls excited for pancakes? Okay, so we're gonna leave you guys to it. I do appreciate you guys hopping on, and we'll get these starting to fry up. Okay, all right. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I can't wait to show you the results. Say bye, girl.